Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up alerts on Webull. Open the Webull app and sign in. Tap the alerts icon, then pick a watch list or specific ticker. Decide whether you want price, percentage change, or news alerts, then enter your target value or threshold. Choose push, email, or SMS for delivery and save. I'll walk you through editing and managing alerts so you stay informed without overwhelm. Open a ticker and tap alerts to explore types like price, percentage, and news alerts. For price alerts, enter a dollar target and pick whether it's above or below your entry. Percentage alerts let you monitor moves like 5% spikes or drops. News alerts will push headlines related to the company. I'll explain which type fits day trading, swing trades, or long-term investing so you get relevant notifications. After creating alerts, pick delivery methods like push, email, or SMS so you get notices where you look most. Manage alerts in the Alerts tab to edit values, toggle active status, or delete ones you no longer need. Use folders or consistent naming to group related alerts and avoid noise. I'll share quick practices for prioritizing alerts and preventing overload while keeping you confident about market moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.